Hi there, we're going to do a walkthrough of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment at 6112 West Diversey. We just came in the front door and this is sort of an overview here. Living area in front of us. Behind the blinds is the outdoor patio, and straight ahead is the dining area. Nice to have a separate dining area to entertain. And we have a breakfast bar, granite counters, dishwasher, fridge, stove, microwave. The corner cabinets have Lazy Susans, and check out the under cabinet lighting. That's the living area, and now we're going to go up here into the master suite. First we have the master bath, jacuzzi tub, really nice tile work, and again granite counters. On the left is the linen closet. And then as we walk into the bedroom, I'll go over this way. Good size for a king-size bed. And you can see the double closets, 2 double closets. They go right through, so there's lots and lots of space. And ceiling fan as well. So let's go around and look at the rest of it over on the other side. And it's nice to have them a little separate. And we're going to pass the guest bathroom. Again, nice tile work, granite counters. And the first door on this side is the front loading washer dryer. And this is your second bedroom. So that's 6112 West Diversey, apartment F1. Give us a call at 773-961-7962 to see it, or visit the website, which is 6112diversey.com. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.